Hi, welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida. We're home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. We're a factory, 19-year builder, a factory of the Blue Baron truck mounts and accessory line. So here we have a compact 45. We have a previous video on it, but I just wanted to let you guys know that don't waste your money buying a unit that's well in the upper 20s, even as much as 30,000 that cannot do high pressure. The thing that makes it most unique in our way is that when we build our heaters, our patented heaters are 3,500 pounds pressure rated. That means that if you're done doing carpets and then your customer comes up and wants you to do a walkway or maybe a driveway that has those rubber marks from the tires or trailer or whatever, and you want to get them off, you're not going to get them off at 1,000 PSI in a lot of cases. You need well over 2,000 pounds pressure. Our units will go up to 3,000 depending on the size of the pump. The unique feature about the Blue Baron truck mounts is not only its icon of high pressure, working pressure, unlike any other unit of its kind, a truck mount of its kind, but it also can absorb heat using a parallel fashion, a patented design that we've been using for a number of years that can absorb the heat implemented by the gases from your engine's exhaust and be able to successfully and efficiently transfer it into the pipes carrying the water. The way that we've designed it is that it's got a good recovery because of the way that it's designed, and it's not layer upon layer, or it's certainly not copper tube and fin. This is a coil system that's in parallel. It's 80 feet of high pressure tubing. So that's what makes our truck mount unique. In addition to the fact that we use open concept design, we use quarter plate to build our frame bases. They're really well built, and everybody can tell you that. And you can go online and check our testimonials out. This unit is the real deal when it comes to doing commercial carpet cleaning. We also make the lower end machines because of the economy. A lot of people just don't want to get into all the fancies and the fancy, gizmos and things. We don't have a lot of gizmos, but we keep things simple. And with that, the Economy 36 will get you started in the industry. Great machine. And the interesting part of it is that the frame base is a quarter plate, which is identical to the high-end machines like 45 SE up to 47 XL in the SE series. So if you decide to get a lower end, lower price machine, I don't even like to say lower end because here's the thing. Price and quality come together, and that's unique in any industry, where if you can take quality and price and come together, you've got a winning combination. So what I'm saying is that we have 8 different models, but every one of them uses the quarter plate, really thick. There's nobody else in the industry that uses quarter plate frame base. So it's great for absorbing vibration and longevity. You don't ever have to wear it. It's like a lifetime warranty on these frames. And they're all TIG welded. And the open concept is really a winning feature of any truck mount, because you've got to have air circulating across the different major components, which are highly pricey, very pricey, like the engine, the blower. And with all that, many of the other components as well are going to take a hit on high heat. I think Sapphire comes out with these units that are all enclosed. They've got the fans. I'm not sure if they run off of 12 volts or 24 volts, but if one of those goes, let me put it this way. I'm not a fan of the fan because you shouldn't have to cool off the interior of your unit, of your truck mount, having to slave off of a 12 volt fan, especially if the thing blows a fuse and now you're out air circulation. So what we've gone and done in all the 20 years that we've been building is an open concept, which allows the air to flow across. We have all stainless headers, all TIG welded. Our heaters at the bottom for our compact series, and on the SE series, it's at the top right. But at any rate, you can get to any one of these components and successfully do a belt change out. getting to the transmission part of it is that we do not use couplers. A lot of these places, Steam Action, some of these other places, they use the rubber couplers, like the Lovejoys. Well, when one of those breaks, it's going to take the love and joy out of your day, most definitely. In fact, I had a unit down at Gulf to Bay. I was doing this restaurant down at Gulf to Bay in the 90s, because I've been cleaning since early 80s. That shows you how long I've been in this business. And I lost the account. And wouldn't you know, I was at the very tail end, ready to go out where there's tile and carpet that meet together. Well, guess what? Lunch is starting. Now you got to have signs all over the place. I lost the account because of the possibilities of liability. They were angry at me. In fact, I did 3/4 of the restaurant and didn't even get paid for it. That was back in somewhere in 1995. So you don't want to be in that situation. You want belts. And I've got some customers you can even talk to that got 5 years on the same belts. So the SE series uses BX30 cog belts, B-size belts. There's just one size for the SE series. We have 2 sizes for the compact series, as well as the economy, which uses the same as the SE series. So you don't want to cancel out all your jobs and then have the customer angry. You want 15 to 20 minutes to do a belt change out, and that's possible with the way that we build our framing and the way our machines are built. It's easy to get into. You can reach underneath the skirting and unloosen the 3/8 bolts. You can pull it back, do it belt change out, and back in business making money. So that's the whole thing. You want to be able to fix your own equipment. You don't want to have to pull a number from some of these other places and have to wait and then chewing down your fingernails, worrying about a high bill and whatnot. You just want to be able to come in and maintain yourself and relax and know that you've got a machine you can handle and fix. Easy breathe, easy maintenance, incredibly great heat, very stable, and super good vacuum. Okay, so, and what I was going to say about the vacuum is we don't undercut the size and diameter of our conduit or pipes coming out from our discharge of our tanks. They all remain as proper convention. 45 should be 2.5. A 47 should be 3.5. And the 36 will be 2.5. And the 33 size blower, we use the Suterbilt Gardner Denver blowers. We've used Roots as well. But they all should stay within the same diameter of the inlet, because you don't want to starve your blower, which can overheat, create a severe differential, and that's not what you want. You'll wear out the rotor shaft and the timing gears in no time at all. You want units that will last, truck mounts that will last a long time and give you the very best performance you can. In an industry that's getting rid of carpets a lot of cases, these machines, I might as well be titling these machines as concrete, tile, and grout cleaning machines and pressure washers with the option of doing carpet. And in a lot of cases, you might even see me titling a lot of that on YouTube and some of my other ads in my websites. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. My name is Pete Garland. I'm the founder of Blue Baron Truck Mounts. And we're going into our 20th year, and call us at 727-505-2989. Or look us up on the truckmountstore.com 24/7. Thank you.